You're about to go into the heart of Africa, to a wild corner of the Kruger National Park, Singita Lebombo, on a real-life, real-time African safari. Watch as the daily dramas unfold. From the smallest detail to the giants of the bush, through the eyes of our cameramen, rangers and animal experts. Uncut, unplanned, unexpected. Join John Varty, big cat specialist and master guide. African explorer Andy Kutsia. And myself, Michaela Strachan. This is the real wild world. Caught on Safari, live.
And when this male lion roars, it will be heard for up to 8-9 kilometres away. Lions can also communicate in the infrasound zone. Go tight, go tight. That is one of the truly great sounds of the African bush, a male lion giving his territorial roar. We are so privileged to have been here, right here, to hear that.